Another part, Pewter Pete. We got new calipers today. Look at these suckers. These are power stops, I think, from Rock Auto. I broke the other bleeder off, the other side, and they're pretty rusty. So, I mean, they still function, but they're only $60 a piece. There is a core, plus core. I didn't think that was too bad. They were at AutoZone here in town. They were $60 a piece, but they were like some off-brand whatever. So I figured I could wait a few days. I'll get some red ones. My favorite color is red. So we got red calipers on this dog pile. So I don't have much time today. I'm still working afternoons. I'm gonna try and get these calipers on. Try and get the belt on for the air conditioner, because I got to take the serpentine belt off. And I bought a new belt for the air conditioner and a new idler. So for those of you that are just joining us, Pete 1500 Silverado 2001. Buddy bought it wrecked from Copart from another buddy. Long story. Didn't have an AC condenser because it was they pulled it out because it was all banged up from the accident. Never fixed it. Well, I'm trying to fix it. So I put all new condenser from Rock Auto. I got a new dryer. What else I got? I got new sensors. I got to swap those out, and I also have some wiring I have to fix on I think the high pressure sensor. One of the wires is broke. I think maybe from the accident, but I have to take this header panel out, which is fine because I have a new one because this one's broke from the accident, and the lights won't stay in, and they're all messed up. One side done. Doesn't that look good? Tell me that doesn't look good. That is lipstick, literally lipstick on a pig. Rusty shitbox, red. Lipstick on a pig. Can I put that in a license plate? I think it looks good. I did get the other one off. It's looking good. I cut the brake hose and then crimped it because I got to ship it back for my cores. So yeah, we're getting there. I like it. And we got new hoses. You got new hoses, new stainless lines all over. I put new plugs in. Let's see what else. Still got to do the diff cover. I got new axle seals. I think I'm going to do bearings too while I have it apart. I got to take the cover off because it's got a hole in it, a rust hole. Imagine that, a rust hole. So it leaks. It's been patched. The patch fell off. It still leaks. So, yeah, for those of you just watching on the TikTok, this has become more of a project than I wanted it to be. But yeah, hopefully after it's done, it should be done for a while. I'll drive it for a while. The whole point is to drive this back and forth to work. I drive like 75 miles a day, and I drive this Sierra and my Subaru most of the time, which racks up a lot of miles. Plus I like these trucks. I like this body style. It's GMT 800s. Yeah. So work on the other side, the driver's side here, and then we'll go from there. We'll work on the AC stuff. Good news, Pete runs. Also, this is weird, my Simply Safe, I'm gonna tag you guys in this. Every time I turn the ignition on, it goes. Was it not gonna do it now? Right there, wireless interference detected. Why? Every time I turn the truck. That's weird, right? But hey, it works. No leaks. No leaks. Those plastic nylon fuel lines, they work. They work. No leaks. I like that. Those are those shitty headlights. Don't buy them. Don't buy those. Alright, hold on. Let me turn this off. Okay. So gotta do that. We did get the AC compressor belt and idler on. You can see right there. That's good. they had to bend the transmission lines. Looks like one of them was shortened a little bit. So it was like rubbing on the pulley, so I bent them out of the way a little bit. There's a couple spots look rusted a little bit on the outside. Not as bad as the fuel lines, but I'm gonna put on my radar, replace those soon. Probably not right now. We're gonna work on the other side. This one. Put that caliper on. Testing this part. Does this really work? Does this work? Okay, trying this. It's called director's view. So I got the caliper on. That's good. Yeah, I painted the rotor. It's just a rust reformer. It's not really paint. It's like a dye kind of. But I didn't buy new pads and rotors because it looks like they've been replaced recently. There's a lot of pad life left. And if you haven't noticed, this thing is a beater with hopefully a heater with red lipstick. Yeah. So I didn't show you. Sway bar is broken. It's just shit in this thing compiles. See how this thing is all busted up. Yeah. I'll weld that back on. I do have a new link though. And I gotta figure out why this doesn't line up. Does it line up? It lines up there. I think I need a longer bolt maybe. Yeah, probably a longer bolt. Then I'll run up to Ace Quick and get those. But I think I'm gonna, it's almost 12 o'clock. I gotta leave an hour and a half. I still gotta go home and shower. I think I'm gonna take these calipers, get them packaged up, get them back in the boxes. I never returned a core before, like as far as shipping it, especially to Rock Auto, so I need to go through that. I also need to return my phone. Got a new phone, so hopefully things a little better on here. So yeah, we're just gonna clean up. I think we're gonna tidy up this video right now. I do need to make the dreaded phone call to the engine shop about the Mustang and see where we're at with the engine on that. I would like to get that back soon. I know that's probably going to be expensive. As far as the charger, still working on that. Actually, no, I'm not working on it. I have parts. I just need time, you know? I need time for a lot of things. CNC, go-kart, LS-powered go-kart, lathe I'm restoring. Plasma table I don't use. This cigar bench I got out of Lincoln. I'm gonna turn it into a cigar lounge bench. But yeah. This is my mess. This is my shop. This is where I work. Oh, the Harley. So I gotta get the stereo on that, get the amp. I got the amp. Gotta install it. But anyways, thanks for watching. We should be back out tomorrow, so hopefully have another video out tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we're going to work on getting the drive shaft out, maybe. But anyways, thanks for watching.